Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. On today's video we are going to make juicy meatballs and spaghetti, a perfect combo that I am sure you will love. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing because I upload many simple recipes every week and you do not want to miss any of them. And without much ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that we need to do is to put beef masala 1 tablespoon into a large bowl, followed by 1 tablespoon soy sauce, Next, we are going to cut 2 slices of bread and add into the bowl, but if you have bread crumbs, you can use that, 2 tablespoons. Add it to the bowl as well. Then we are going to add some water, and we are using blade so that we can hold our meatballs in place so that they do not break when frying them. So add water 2 to 3 tablespoons, and we are going to do this using the same spoon that we used to measure the soy sauce. And then you're going to mix in very well. And guys, you can add more spices if you like. Do not feel limited because I only used those 2 as that's what I wanted today. I'm still adding some water. So next we are going to take our minced beef or any other minced meat. You can use minced mutton, chicken, whatever you like, and mix in very well. You see that I'm using my fingers to make sure that it's well mixed. The soy sauce, the beef masala, bread and the meat. And then when it's ready, make small balls from the meat. They do not have to be the same size, but if you make them the same size, good for you. Just like that, and you can see the balls are ready. Next, we are going to add oil to a pan and heat this up. Then add the meatballs and fry them. Keep turning them so that they do not burn. set aside, but do not discard the oil, as we are going to use that oil to make the sauce later. So on a separate sufuria, we are going to boil our spaghetti, and this will take roughly 6 to 10 minutes. Our spaghetti are ready, so set them aside. Okay, next we are going to cut our vegetables roughly, and I am using 1 capsicum, 2 tomatoes, and 1 bunch coriander stems. They do not have to be a perfect cut because we are going to blend them, so just cut them roughly. Transfer that to a bowl. Transfer to a blender. Add some water and blend it. And that is what we have. So you remember the oil that we fried our meatballs in, so we are going to fry our onion in that same oil. That's why I told you not to discard it. Add 1 large onion. I love lots of onion. And as that fries, guys, I'm going to show you a quick recipe on how to make garlic ginger paste at home. Yeah, so to make the garlic ginger paste, we are going to add salt to our mortar first. Make sure that salt goes in first before adding the ginger cloves. No, I mean the garlic cloves and a half-piece ginger. Then you're just going to use your pestle to crush it until you make a paste. If you'd like to see a more elaborate recipe on how to make garlic paste at home, I will link it in the description box because I have it here on my channel. So we're just going to crush it like that. And we are done. So add the ginger garlic paste to the onion. Stir, fry this to golden brown color. You can see it's golden brown. So I added 2 beef cubes, but you do not have to. If you don't like beef cubes, you do not have to add them. When it comes to spices, it's optional. It goes with your preferences, whatever you prefer. So next we add tomato paste. Again, if you do not have tomato paste, the store-bought tomato paste, you can make tomato paste at home, and I have that recipe here on my channel, and I am going to link it in the description box to show you how you can make tomato paste at home, and you only need tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Again, mix that very well, give it a good mix. Then we are going to add the blended vegetable.